Hackathons are a unique experience because you really get to see how people think, their creativity, and actually their work product, because you get to see their code. And this is a much better vehicle for us to look for prospective interns and also employees than just a career fair where you're really just talking about, experiences and not really seeing people in action. So we sponsor hackathons all across the East Coast, and we've just started branching out. We decided to come down here because of the reputation and the size. You guys have a lot of good students here participating, and we've been impressed with the people that we've come across. We're in it for the long haul as far as hackathon sponsorship, and we'd like to come back to HackGT.
Hi, I'm Christine from Microsoft, and we're really excited to be sponsoring HackGT for another year. Microsoft is pretty engaged here at Georgia Tech. We sponsor a number of classes where we have students using Microsoft Azure, our cloud platform, in the classroom. And we're seeing some of those students use the Azure they're learning in the classroom and use it here at the hackathon. And hopefully they'll be able to use it in the startups or the cool projects they work on beyond. Also, it's been really cool seeing all the inspiring projects the students have built. We've got a couple HoloLens hacks that people are building using augmented reality. We have a bunch of facial recognitions and machine learning hacks. I'm really excited to see what they come up with and do the judging at the end.
We're excited to be a part of the HackGT event. We decided to become involved this year because this was a great opportunity to identify talent from Georgia Tech, which we're really focused on. HackGT is definitely an event that brings in a lot of students specifically here to this area to really get creative. And we're probably just as excited to see what the students are going to be doing on our platform, which is the future of NCR. So again, looking forward to a great weekend working with great students and looking at great ideas and continue to build on that partnership between Georgia Tech and NCR.
My name is Kelly. I'm from General Motors, and we're here at HackGT because, as our CEO, Mary Barris, said, the auto industry is changing more in the next 5 years than the last 50 years. So we need to be ready to handle those challenges and opportunities. So we have an API here, and we're seeing what students can do with it to really challenge us to do more with our vehicles. And so far the experience has been really great. Everyone's really enthusiastic, and the HackGT staff has been amazing and accommodating, and we're really excited to see what students create.
Hi, I'm Don from BlackRock, and we wanted to come down here because anyone who's willing to give up a weekend and come down here and code for 36 hours straight is really passionate about what they do, and those are the kind of engineers we're looking for.
Today we wanted to find and meet the next generation of GE developers. I mean, we've been walking around, we've seen a lot of intricate and unique solutions to some of the stuff we have using our API.
We found that some of the students came up with some really inventive ideas with the API that we have.
Yeah, actually I saw one group, they're going to detect gunshots based off of the sound data from our street lights rather. So that's really a rather interesting usage. So
this is our first hackathon. We are here because we want to know more about the students, about what they're passionate about, and also for them to know more about our brand, our products. And for us, it's great to be here. We're sponsoring a prize. We want to encourage students to use technology to build applications to improve teams, to make teams work better together, helping them, teaching them how to use their products, showing them some of our APIs with the idea that they can use that and then just build something cool that will help somebody down the line. You never know.
Technology is what makes the bank run. So we were really interested in participating in HackGT because, first of all, we wanted students to be able to understand that we have technology and the technology runs the bank. And we also wanted to help give back to the community in our home city of Atlanta. I've been here since yesterday afternoon, and it is absolutely amazing. It's just amazing to me. Again, it's the first time that SunTrust has been at a hackathon. It's the first time I've been at one. And just to see the enthusiasm and to see everything that's going on behind the scenes. I was very amazed at how students very quickly organized themselves and figured out, how can I make this process work? What can I do to bring in a solution and then get right to work with it? And they've been up all night.
We're here at the hackathon. This is probably our third hackathon we've been to in the last year or so. We started doing this recently for a few reasons. We want to promote our brand, Siemens Healthineers. We want to make sure people know more about who we are and what we do, and looking to recruit local talent. And the other thing is we like to come and sponsor different prizes. Just want to see the different innovations that the students can do, different ideas that they have, and it's an inspiration for us as well. I'm a an alum from Georgia Tech. I graduated here in 2004. It's close to our Knoxville, Tennessee office, so we really want to build a close relationship with Georgia Tech, and we want to come to Georgia Tech for many events, including HackGT. I did meet one of your colleagues at a hackathon, and he was instrumental in recruiting us to come down and opening us to other hackathons that are happening, especially the Georgia Tech one.
I had a chance to finally meet the organizers of HackGT this past month and got to know them a little bit more. You know, their heart and passion for the community really showed, and I saw where that heart and passion came from. The power of bringing a lot of people in mass that focus on very many different fields to come together and collectively show the world that they're building new things, new technologies, and really can like move the needle in the world of technology. And I wish them the best of luck. You know, you all are a really powerful bunch, and just keep on doing what you're doing, and you know, be special and show that world that you're all out there.